Hey man, say man. It's your boy Beau Rakes, man. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the world famous Sosua, beautiful beach town on the north coast of the Dominican Republic. And right here, guys, we got the villa. We got the views. It's clear blue skies over Sosua. You see the landscape. You see the foliage. You see the villas. You see the condos. You see the apartments. You see the sky. You see the ocean. Look at that view. Well, this is where we at, guys, on top of the hill, outside of any subdivision. Just partying and kicking it. Shout out to Beat Renegades for providing the sound on every Rakes video. Shout out to Tyler Broad for doing the drone, getting the views. Shot this with the Mini 4 DJI Pro. Look at this specimen of a home. Outstanding. This neighborhood right here, I remember it used to be a goat farm. Actually, I almost got attacked by 2 goats when we went up here and cleared this lot off. But look how it came out. This is gold right here, guys. This is dreams right here. You know, crumbs to bricks. Look at that wall. Ain't no curtains. Ain't no curtains. We don't need no curtains. Come on now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Peace and love, fight the power, stay black, keep it gangster. It's your boy Beau Rakes, Big Spew, I'm out. Get you some rich friends, get you some rich friends. Beau Rakes always add value. Hey, hit the cash out, hit the cash out. I need a fundraiser. We finna do a fundraiser. Where your team at? Hey man, get you a crew, man. Get you a crew, put your money together, get you something like this too, man. Hey man, pennies in the pound make dollars after a while, man. That's what they say, right? We out.